What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here called AMP, one of your favorite cryptocurrencies. And as you can see, it has dropped just over 5% in the last 24 hours, making it 0.009201. So is it time to buy the dip, or should you wait for it to drop further? Should you sell it? Should you hold on to it? We're going to try and cover both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its next potential target. Is it going to keep dropping, or is it going to pick back up in value? And as you can see, most of the cryptos are down, including Bitcoin, and it has dropped a massive 7% in the last 24 hours, which is not looking too good. So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking on the Coinbase website right now, and as you can see, the market is down 5%. And as you can see, Bitcoin dropped in value because of the major news that Tesla have sold 75% of their Bitcoin, which has had a negative impact on the value of Bitcoin, which has also affected most cryptos. So over the last hour, nothing much. Over the last day, 5% down. Over the week, 4% up. And over the month, it has just about fluctuated at the current price range. So even though it's been quite volatile up and down, and even here in late June, we saw a major peak in value all the way up to 0.0154, but straight away drop back down. Overall, for the past 4 weeks, it has more or less been fluctuating around the current price range. Now, moving on to the CoinMarketCap website, here we can see the trading volume has gone up by just about 2%, nothing major, making it $18 million, which is still a good amount of money that is being traded. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. As you can see, 88% buy against 12% sell. So it looks like a lot of people are indeed buying the dips, and we've got a minority of the people selling the crypto, potentially taking out the profits and maybe reinvesting when it drops in value. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, and we have also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing AMP at just about the current price range, meaning more or less is fluctuating and is performing like it's meant to, as the SMA indicator and the actual value of AMP are very, very close to each other. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get straight into it. As you can see on the 30-minute chart, we've got the blue line and the orange line slightly looking bullish, which means very minimal gains in value are expected over the coming hours. Again, don't expect too much. It's going to be very minimal. As you can see, they are just about slanting towards the positive direction. And again, do expect dips in between. I'm not saying he's going to consistently be picking up in value. Of course not. We are going to see dips. We are going to see peaks. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. But again, don't think that it's going to be a major bull run or a price pump or anything like that. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, still looking bullish, still looking positive. Yes, again, it's not looking as steep, but they are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning again, minimal gains in value are expected over the coming days. So by mid next week, we should be at a slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment. Not even the 1 cent target, somewhere in between what it's worth at the moment to 0.0095. Again, it's very, very minimal. But again, that does not mean we're not going to see any major increases in between. Of course, we may see it go above the 1 cent mark. We may see it drop quite a bit to 0.008 or even 0.0075. But again, the overall outcome is what matters, and over the next couple of days, it seems to be neutral. Now, the daily chart, the big boy long-term prediction over the next couple of weeks, we are looking quite bullish. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking quite positive. But even though, throughout the charts that we've seen on the 30-minute, hourly and daily chart, which is the current one, the main thing is that they are both all of them are going in a positive direction, looking quite bullish. Again, we don't want to see any steep lines. We just want to see, as long as it's going in a positive direction, that's all that matters. And yeah, that's so good so far. So so far so good. Sorry, what am I talking about? Anyways, over the next couple of weeks, so let's say late August to early September, we should expect an overall increase in value, potentially passing the 1 cent target or being way above the 1 cent target. But again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs, and especially how Bitcoin, because Bitcoin more or less controls the market in a positive and negative direction. Over the last 5 days, Bitcoin was up, and we've seen the whole crypto market being up as well. However, in the last 24 hours, it has dropped, and what's happened, the whole crypto market has also dropped as well, including AMP. So to keep you guys on top of things, and to make it easier for you guys, what I have done is created a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin every single day, on what to expect, what to predict, and where it's likely to head towards a bullish or bearish direction. And I'll also be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling, so you guys can take part in my Telegram group chat by simply clicking the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and guys, over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. so make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. And also, just to make it clear what happens once you sign up, so you're going to get put into 2 group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I'll be showing you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on my predictions, my takes, and what to expect every single day, and also giving guys analysis and predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. Any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. And now back to AMP we go. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you can see, unfortunately we are still in the red zone, but again, I'm not expecting any major increases. As you can see, we are very below the average target, and we are very low on the red zone as well. We've got a long way for us to go for us to hit the green zone. So over a 350% increase is required for us to hit the green zone, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. So for more or less, it is likely that we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year, and potentially more than half of next year as well. But again, any major increases or major news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of AMP, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers as soon as possible. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you to everyone, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.